Hello everyone. Hey, what do you think of my new flying birds? It's a kingfisher, it's the latest one. And I've been meaning to do the kingfisher for some time, but I knew it would be complicated, so I've been putting it off. It's a rubbish excuse, but never mind. I was able to get this rippled blue dichromatic glass, and I love it because it really suggests the shimmering iridescence of a real kingfisher. And of course, if we look at our friend the colour wheel, we'll see that the tangerine and the turquoise are exactly opposite, making them complementary, which is why they're standing out so much. This bird is the smallest in this series, and it's about actual size of our kingfisher here in England. So I was a bit worried that the proportion of the bird with the background wouldn't work. So I tried various configurations, and I'm really pleased with it. I think it's one of the best, if not the best so far. And as usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. A realm of kingfishers. I hope that you don't overwhelm when I point out that kingfishers form a realm. It really shouldn't come as any surprise, because their very name should help you surmise. Merry Christmas, everyone.